Mr. Boni Onyejekwe. Happy birthday to that fearless combatant. One man wey get doing so they subdue the demonic spirits. He say any man who lack purpose will distract himself with pleasure. Normally any man wey no get money na walking dead. Hello. Make way for that man of God with unlimited anointing. Live long. Mr. Boni Onyejekwe.
Baba don't do am again, no.
Baba don't do am again, no.
He don't do am again.
Baba don't do am again, no.
The thing wey shock the enemy, oh.
Now my God don't handle am again.
Whoa, how to Baba don't do am again, no.
Again.
He lift me higher again, oh.